This is just a quick demo to show you how you can create a ticker text kind of block type in blocks. There isn't a specific ticker block, but since you can use any kind of web content in blocks, it's quite easy to make something like that. Anyway, so let me show you first what I mean. So I just put some text in here, and you can see that text appearing down here. So the way this works is that I have a little editor panel here. That's just another block with a text input, and that is connected to a realm variable down here. It could be any property in blocks really, but a realm variable is kind of typical for what you would use as kind of a mailbox for the text to go from here into the variable, and then the web block that is showing the ticker here is just subscribing to the content of this realm variable. So if I change the text here, in that way you can see the text here in the ticker updates right away. So it's quite a convenient way to have some kind of a scrolling little message down at the bottom of any display spot. So the area you see here is just a web browser that I use to act as a display spot for this demo. And looking into the editor, we can take a look. We have the ticker right here, and you can see it's just a little strip of web content. You can see it's a web block up here. As indicated here, this is stored inside the block itself. So this HTML content is in the block, so it sort of travels with the block, and it makes it almost as if it were a ticker block, even though it uses a piece of external HTML and JavaScript to do this thing. You can also see how I've been using some query parameters here in the URL, beginning with question mark, so I can change the speed of the ticker. So if I wanted to go quite a bit slower, I could change this to faster, 500 and 100 pixels per second. So this is just the sort of scroll speed for that ticker. Here I also specify the name of the property from where I get the text. So you can see it's realm tickers variable ticker1 value, and that was exactly what we saw if we looked back at the task. So it's realm tickers and the variable name ticker1. And here you can see the image itself, and you can see how the ticker is overlaid on top of it. So I have a background image here, and then I have the ticker, and you can see I'm using a reference to pull in the ticker block, which is in the same block group here. Actually, I could do this, which is kind of a new neat trick. So I can just specify the name of the target block, and if I don't specify the group there, then it automatically is assumed to be in the same group. So here's the image and here is the ticker, so they are both in the ticker group here. So that's how you would then use the ticker as part of any other block, and by using a reference here, that means that it's sort of pulling that other block named ticker. This block is pulled into this one, so I can use this anywhere by just referencing this one and pulling it into any other block. Okay, I include this stuff in the application note, the blocks route that goes with the application note, so you can see how this all works, and you can use this in your own projects